Raw hidden agenda exposed. Pakistani intelligence has revealed Indian research and analysis wing is involved in sponsoring elements in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. This report comes aimed ongoing tensions in the region. Reports suggest that RAW is collaborating with other entities to disrupt peace in the region. Pakistani authorities have confirmed reports of Indian intelligence agencies' involvement in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, a massive search operation has been launched by Indian forces in Poonch district. The operation has created a sense of unease among the local population. In Srinagar, People's Democratic Party President and former Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti led a protest march demanding the return of Kashmiri prisoners lodged in jails outside Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter held a condolence reference in Islamabad to pay tribute to Hurriyat leaders Mushtaq Ahmad Wani, Dr. Abdul Ala and Sheikh Tajammul Islam on their death anniversaries. In New Delhi, a massive sit-in protest was held at Jantar Mantar to mark 6 years of illegal incarceration of jailed Brahmula member of Parliament and Awami Ittehad Party President Engineer Abdul Rashid and other Kashmiri political prisoners. India has released a massive flow of water into the Satluj River, causing widespread flooding in Kasur's Kunda Singhwala area in Pakistan. Thousands of acres of farmland have been destroyed and several villages have been submerged. In Uttar Pradesh, India, where Muslim youth Fardeen was brutally attacked by a Hindu mob in Barla village. Fardeen suffered severe injuries and is currently battling for his life. The incident has sparked widespread outrage and fear among the Muslim community.